Do you want to automate repetitive tasks without writing complicated code? Are you looking for a platform that helps you build powerful AI workflows and automations in just a few clicks? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are taking a closer look at Second Brain Labs, also known as SBL, and we will show you everything beginners need to know to get started. So we will cover what Second Brain Lab is, what it's designed for, how to create your account, navigate the platform, and build your first automation. Along the way, we will share our first impressions, highlight the key features, discuss the pros and cons, and help you decide whether it's the right automation tool for your needs. So, whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, freelancer, marketer, or simply someone who wants to save time by automating everyday tasks, this beginner's guide will walk you through the platform step by step. So if you are ready to work smarter instead of harder, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description below to get started. So let's begin. Second Brain Labs, or simply SBL, is designed to help businesses automate the most time-consuming parts of finding and engaging potential customers. Instead of manually searching for leads, sending messages, and following up one by one, SBL combines AI automation with outreach tools to streamline the entire process, helping you focus more on closing deals than chasing prospects. One thing you will immediately notice when you visit the official SBL website, which is going to be Sbl.so, is that the website is very straightforward. Rather than overwhelming you with dozens of pages, the site organizes its features into dedicated sections so you can quickly find exactly what you are looking for. No second guessing. The platforms highlights the services you currently support, including the LinkedIn and WhatsApp, giving you a clear picture of what your outreach campaigns can run. This makes it easy to understand the business that fits the communication channels to your business that already uses. Now, if you're wondering whether the platform actually delivers results, the success stories showcases real customer experiences and examples of how businesses have used SBL in the past to improve their outreach, generate qualified leads, and book more meetings through the automation. And of course, for those who want to learn more before jumping in, the resources section provides educational content, guides, and helpful materials, making it the easiest ways to understand the platform and its features. Now, let me tell you this. One of the most important things to check before signing up is the pricing plan. Why? Because that's where you will decide whether the free tools are enough for your needs or a premium subscription makes more sense for your business. Now, the starter plan is geared toward individuals and small businesses looking to automate outreach. It also comes with a free 7-day trial so you can test the platform before committing. Now, for growing teams, the Pro plan per month expands on everything included in Starter. It is the best overall value for businesses focused on scaling their sales pipeline. At the top end is going to be the Elite plan, which is currently available by invitation only, because this tier is built for organizations that want highly personalized outreach at scale. It includes all these perks and benefits. SBL offers pricing that scales alongside your business. The starter plan provides a solid entry point. Now, teams looking for more automation and collaboration will likely find the Pro plan to be the sweet spot, while larger organizations that require highly customizable AI-powered outreach may benefit from the Elite tier if invited. But don't worry, because if you wanted to test the waters, all you have to do is click the Try for Free button on the top right corner. Just provide all the information needed and to make the account creation faster. You can sign up using your Google and then follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've successfully created your second Brain Labs account, this is the very first screen you will see. Rather than dropping you into a blank dashboard, SBL immediately welcomes you with a pop-up letting you know that your 7-day free trial has officially started. Right at the center is a short onboarding video, and then at the bottom is going to be the option for you to create your campaign. This is the perfect opportunity to test the platform and start seeing how its automation works before deciding on a paid subscription. All I have to do now is click the blue button, and what will happen is you need to provide the campaign brief. Now, let me tell you this. The process is refreshingly simple. Instead of asking you to configure dozens of settings right away, this is where you describe what you are selling or offering and what you want your campaign to achieve. So think of it as giving the AI clear instructions about your business, your target audience, and the outcome you're looking for. For example, I wanted to create a full tutorial about Second Brain Labs. Now, the more specific your brief is, the better SBL can tailor your outreach messages and campaign strategies. You will notice that there is an enhanced option which can define your campaign brief, making it more clear and more effective before you launch. This is especially useful if you are not sure how to write the perfect prompt for the AI. Another nice feature is going to be the outreach language selector. By default, it's set to English, but depending on your audience, you can choose the language that best matches the people you're reaching out to. This makes SBL a practical choice for businesses that work with international clients and global markets. And of course, at the bottom is going to be the few options that you can look into. You can cancel if you wanted to make changes, or simply create a campaign when you are ready to let SBL begin building your outreach workflow. After successfully creating your account, you'll be instantly taken to the Second Brain Labs or SBL platform interface. At first glance, it might feel a little overwhelming because there are quite a few tools and features available. But don't worry, we are going to explore everything together, step by step. And let's start with the left side handbar. You see this? If you click on it, it will collapse, and it's neatly organized into 4 main sections: the outreach, the lead gen, the setup, and the support. Now, each of these sections serves a different purpose, okay? Outreach is where you will manage your campaigns, conversations, and outreach performance. The lead gen focuses on finding and qualifying potential leads for your business. The setup contains the tools you'll use to configure your workspace. And of course, the support gives you access to help resources, platform settings, and the partner program whenever you need assistance. Let's begin with the campaigns. Since we have already created our first campaign right here, which is about the SBL full tutorial, okay, you can create, manage, and monitor your outreach campaigns. Whether you're sending cold emails, LinkedIn messages, or automated sequences, campaigns acts as the central hub for launching and tracking your lead generation efforts. Okay? Now, the chat lets you view and respond to conversation with your leads. Instead of switching between different platforms, you can manage ongoing communications from one convenient box. And then we have the analytics. The analytics provide detailed insights into how your campaigns are performing. You'll find metrics such as email open rates, reply rates, click-through rates, booked meetings, and other key performance indicators to help optimize your outreach. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have anything yet in place. And then the higher profiles allows you to create profiles for the types of professionals or decision makers you are targeting. This helps the AI better understand the ideal candidates or prospects you are trying to reach. But before you can use this powerful feature, you need to upgrade to the premium plan. And then below that is going to be the contacts. This is going to be your centralized contact database wherein every lead you've imported, generated, or exported, or interacted is stored here. Okay. Now, if you want to add a new contact from scratch, all I have to do is click that add to contacts manual. You can enter the full name, email, link, and profile contact details and click the add user. Now, this makes it easy to organize, segment, and manage your prospect list. And then below the lead gen is going to be the ICP leads, which is going to be the ideal customer profile. Now, this section helps you discover prospects that closely match your target audience based on the filters like industry, company size, location, and more, making generation much more precise. If you wanted to run this here, you can do that as well. And then the signals is a new feature here in SBL where it highlights buying or engaging indicators that suggest a prospect may be ready to purchase or open to conversations. For example, you can include company growth, hiring activity, funding announcements, technology. For example, if you wanted to get a lead through the likes, okay, one post is going to be this one. And if you want to add another post, you can do that as well. And of course, you need to make sure that the ideal customer is toggled on and you need to define the criteria and click the save button. It's super simple right here. Now, the signals is ideal so that you can have your intent signals make the outreach more timely. And then the CRM is also a new feature here, but it's coming soon depending on your area or region, which is going to be your customer relationship management system, helping you organize leads, monitor deal progress, track follow-ups, and maintain your sales pipeline without relying on separate CRM platform. And of course, the knowledge base is where you store important company information, documentation, messaging guidelines, and if you wanted to add a source, you can do that as well. Upload a file, URL, plain text, and Q&A. So basically, SBL's AI can reference this information to generate more accurate and personalized responses. And then the SBL MCP is going to be the model context protocol for the Second Brain Labs, allowing SBL to securely connect with external tools, documents, and data resources. This enables the AI to access relevant information and perform more advanced and automated workflows across multiple applications by copying the new API key to extend the SBL's functionality. All right? Speaking of which, the API is also an integration allowing developers and businesses to connect Second Brain Labs with third-party software and custom systems. And if you wanted to add a new API, you can do that here, or webhooks. This enables automated data syncing, workflow automation and integrations, and enabling all existing business tools. And then you have the support. The settings is where you can customize your account preferences right here. Okay? You can choose from your workspace, your members, your persona, and your channels. Everything in the settings helps you configure their notifications and admin options. And then the support provides access to customer assistance, help documentation, or troubleshooting resources. You can choose from Slack or email and contact options if you encounter any issues or have questions using the platform. Now, the partner program is designed for agencies, consultants, affiliates, and businesses that want to collaborate with Second Brain Labs. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below to get started with Second Brain Labs. And with that being said, now the question is Second Brain Labs or SBL worth their time? If you're someone who wants to automate repetitive tasks, streamline your outreach, generate leads, and leverage AI without juggling dozens of separate tools, then SBL is definitely a platform worth exploring. My advice for beginners is simple. Don't try to learn every feature on day one. Start with the basics, get comfortable with the interface, and gradually explore the more advanced tools as your workflow grows. That's the best way to get the most value out of the platform without feeling overwhelmed. And if you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, remember to use our affiliate link in the video description. It really helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.